Retirement is a time period where you can pursue your dreams at your own pace. You need a regular stream of income to power your dreams, and you will wish to maintain the same standard of living during your post-retirement period. ICICI Prudential offers guaranteed pension through one of their retirement plans. Will this plan help you to lead a worry-free retirement life? Is ICICI Pru Guaranteed Pension Plan a good investment option? In this video, we will answer all these questions. This review will guide you to plan better for your retirement life. Welcome to holisticinvestment.in. ICICI Pru Guaranteed Pension Plan is a non-linked, non-participating individual single premium annuity plan. The features are option to choose your deferment period, single life or joint life option, one-time investment and lifelong annuity. There are 11 plan options. The purchase price is returned on death or critical illness or permanent disability due to accident. Now let us look at the benefits under various plan options of ICICI Pru Guaranteed Pension Plan. There are totally 11 plan options. The table given here gives you the glimpse of various plan option. The plan option could be broadly classified as deferred annuity or immediate annuity with return of purchase price or without return of purchase price, single life or joint life option. One of the important features is when and how much percentage of purchase price is returned. In certain plan option, purchase price is returned early. In some cases, only a portion is paid early. Some plan option offers return of purchase price on critical illness or permanent disability due to accident. One can choose one of these combination based on their personal requirement. Next, we shall discuss the advantages and disadvantages of ICICI Pru Guaranteed Pension Plan. Option to choose your annuity option, annuity payout frequency and the year from which you would like to receive the annuity. High purchase price benefit gives you an additional annuity. Top-up option allows you to increase your annuity. Loan is allowed for deferred annuity option during deferment period. Disadvantages. The annuity option once chosen cannot be changed after inception. The annuity is fully taxable. Early return of purchase and surrender of policy is available for some of the plan options. Any annuity plan should not be assessed just with the annuity amount. You need a closer look at the rate of return. A guaranteed annuity for lifetime doesn't mean that the plan suits you. You need to figure out the internal rate of return. This will guide you in decision making. We have taken a quote from ICICI website. A 45-year-old male buys ICICI Pru Guaranteed Pension Plan for rupees 10 lakhs. He chooses deferred single life with return of purchase price. The deferment period is 10 years. The annuity is 1.18 lakhs. Since the plan offers a lifelong annuity, we assume the life expectancy of annuitant as 85 years. The annuitant receives a regular annuity after the end of deferment period. This option offers an annuity till his lifetime. On death, the purchase price is returned. For this illustration, the IRR is calculated at 6.03%. Guaranteed and regular annuities may provide you a sense of security. Unfortunately, inflation eats away the purchasing power of money down the lane. The annuity that was sufficient enough in the earlier may look minuscule over a period of time. The rate of return is also not convincing for a long-term investment. Next, we shall look at the alternate investment options. Annuity plans do not allow you to have control over your money. You just invest and wait till the deferment period and start receiving your annuity. Once you purchase the plan, you get locked. If we invest the same amount of rupees 10 lakhs and wait for 10 years, we will get a lump sum maturity amount. This amount could be invested in a debt instrument and start withdrawing annuity similar to the earlier illustration. On the death of the investor, you get back the investment amount which is similar to the return of purchase price. Let us assume that rupees 10 lakhs is invested in a ELSS fund for 10 years, similar to the deferment period. While exiting the fund, capital gains tax is payable. The tax calculation is given here. The pre-tax value is 34.78 lakhs and the post-tax value is 32.40 lakhs. This amount is invested in a 7% return instrument. From this investment, 1.18 lakhs is withdrawn annually, similar to the annuity amount under ICICI Pru Guaranteed Pension Plan. The internal rate of return, that is the interest rate of ELSS investment, is calculated at 8.54%. Under this option, you have more control over your investment. for comparison purposes, we have chosen the same annuity amount. Even you can step up your post-retirement income. This will help you to cope up with the inflation. This analysis clearly shows that investing in ICICI Pru guaranteed pension plan will have no liberty with your money, and also the return is also lower than the inflation rate. Here is our final verdict on ICICI Pru guaranteed pension plan. It is designed to provide a guaranteed stream of income to policyholders during their retirement years. The pension amount is predetermined and it is known at the time of policy purchase. Policyholders can choose from various annuity options which determine how the pension will be paid. These options may include a single life annuity, joint life annuity, annuity with return of purchase price, and more. Generally, an annuity plan focuses on paying a regular stream of income. But under ICICI Pru guaranteed pension plan, critical illness, total and permanent disability are mixed with an annuity plan. This doesn't make it attractive, rather adds confusion. Investing in ICICI Pru guaranteed pension plan is neither beneficial in terms of return nor in terms of liquidity. Building a diversified investment portfolio for your retirement will take care of your post-retirement needs. Consult your financial advisors and start planning for your retirement as soon as possible. A detailed review of ICICI Pru guaranteed pension plan is available as a blog post in our website, and the link is given in the description. Hope you like this video. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment option or related to your financial goal, don't hesitate to book a free appointment with our financial planners. The link to the free booking is given in the description box below. Also, will you be interested to attend any insightful investment webinar? Then feel free to register for the upcoming enlightening investment webinar. It is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up. Also, share it with your social circle. If you haven't subscribed our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.